So I'm going to give you just a quick little tour of our classroom so that you can see how it works. Each day when you open it up, I would start by clicking on the Present button up at the top. It will make it go full screen, and then it looks a lot better and it's easier to navigate. So you've got your whiteboard in the middle. That will tell you what we are learning for the day, and it will also have the day's date. To the left of the board, you have your sharpening skills posted. That is the first thing you will do each day in your journal, and if you click on it, it will blow it up to where it is much bigger, so that you can make it bigger. And then when you're done with it, if you click on the click here for answers button, it will tell you the answers. Now you're going to see on each screen that is not the home screen a little house, and if you click on the house, it takes you back to the home screen. You've got a little journal down here at the bottom that says today's assignments. If you click on today's assignments, it's going to give you a list of everything you have to get done that day. And once again, we've got the house up in the corner. Now there's going to be an asterisk placed by items that you will be getting graded on for that day. So there's no question of what is the important stuff that you will be getting a grade on. So once again, I can hit my home button here. Now, anything that you see the arrow pop up on, we've got a hot link to. There is a link to Google Classroom to help you get there quickly. There is a link to Clever, to All in Learning, to Prodigy. So you'll be seeing me put up different links throughout the year to help you get there. The clock, if you click on the clock, it will take you to the day's schedule. Right now it's blank because I don't know what our schedule is going to be. Once again, to the home button. If you look at my laptop on my desk, you'll see a miniaturized picture of my website. And if you click on that, it will open up my website in a separate tab. So you would want to go back to the tab with Google Classroom and possibly close my website tab if you didn't want that. Other things, we've got some videos. There's a video today for setting up the journal. There's a subtraction help video as well. So you'll see different videos posted throughout the class. If you click on one of those videos, you can make it larger by hitting the maximize screen button on that. And you'll also see some different manipulatives and tools around the classroom. Like here's a poster that has different operational words, opens in another tab, and there's also a digital whiteboard, and if you click on that, you can have your own whiteboard to draw on the computer. So this is what it looks like. You'll see it changing from day to day and week to week, but this is going to be your launch pad that you're going to use every day. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.
You should have put the day of